Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Grenville is a beautiful village in Quebec, located on the Ottawa River's north shore. This charming spot is part of the Laurentide region, and lies directly across the river from Hawkesbury, Ontario. This area is known for its scenic views and rich history, making it an ideal stop for travelers and history buffs alike. Grenville has an important historical feature, the Grenville Canal. Built between 1819 and 1833, this canal was part of a major waterway project led by British engineers. The canal, designed to connect Montreal and Ottawa, became a critical part of Canada's shipping routes. Later, it was expanded to support larger vessels, enhancing trade along the Ottawa River. Today, visitors can explore this historic canal, walk along its scenic pathways, and see remnants of old structures like the swing bridge foundations and railway bridges. These features offer a glimpse into Canada's early engineering and transport history. Another historic landmark is the Grenville Heritage House, originally built in the 1820s to house canal workers. This building is now a heritage site and serves as a reminder of the village's early days. For a relaxing stroll, the canal's trails give fantastic river views, perfect for capturing photos of Grenville's natural beauty. Whether you're here for the history or just passing through, Grenville is a lovely stop to enjoy both Quebec's nature and heritage.
Thanks for watching!